All right, this is a rundown of how this week is going to go for my chemistry class. Okay, so things are going to be a little bit different. On hybrid days, Mondays through Thursdays, we're going to have half of you guys in class, half of you guys out of class. It's based on last name and kind of household. So you should have on PowerSchool marked kind of which group you're in. A through K last names are going to be in school on Mondays and Wednesdays, whereas the L through Z students are going to be at home working virtually, kind of like how last week went. Then on Tuesdays and Thursdays, people with last names L through Z are going to be in the school, and people with last names A through K are going to be working from home virtually. Okay. Because we're going to have people in class and out of class, and some people quarantined and all kinds of crazy stuff, we're going to be taking attendance with attendance check-ins on Schoology. It's not a quiz. It's not for points, but it is for attendance. You just go in and say, yeah, I'm here. So whether you're in class personally or you are out of class for any reason, this is the way we're going to be taking attendance. Okay. Google Meet from Monday through Thursday is going to be used as kind of a check-in help time for the people working from home. I'm going to be giving you guys pre-recorded videos, so that should be able to walk you through the assignments, labs, whatever we're doing. But this way, if you still have questions that wasn't answered by the pre-recorded videos or other helpful information that I provided on Schoology, this is the time to do it. So we'll be logging into Google Meet just like we did before with our code McCordChem2. Again, during the last 15 minutes of your normal class time. So for period 2 chemistry, that would be about 10:04 to 10:19. Okay, so Google Meet is not going to be used for attendance Monday through Thursday. Instead, you're doing an attendance check-in. Google Meet will instead be kind of a way to get help if you need it. Okay, if you don't, then you're good, and I'll see you the next day. However, on virtual Fridays, everyone is virtual. So we are going to use Google Meet to take attendance on those days. Okay, we're going to be checking in live. We'll have about 25 minutes class, so it's going to be a shorter class period. All right, so I will be on for the whole 25 minutes instead of just the last 15 minutes like the other day to show you what's going on, show you if you got a pre-recorded video, or give you some tips, some examples on what you're doing, and things like that. Okay, so on Fridays, everyone's virtual, and we're going to be going live on Google Meet to take attendance. There's no attendance quiz on Fridays. Okay, if you don't show up to Google Meet, then I can't count you present. If you're wondering about kind of due dates, typically it's just the next day after I assign it. I assign a lab on Monday, it's due on Tuesday. I assign an assignment on Wednesday, it's due Thursday, and things like that. We're going to be pretty much synchronized in and out of class, so unless I say otherwise, we're not going to be doing, this class does this on Monday and this class does this on Tuesday, and those groups kind of switch what they're doing. We're all kind of doing the same thing, whether you're here or not on Monday, and we're all doing the same thing on Tuesday, whether you're here or not. So sometimes you'll get me in person, and sometimes you'll get me virtually. Okay. If you have any questions that can't be answered in the Google Meet or something like that, you can always email me or shoot me a Schoology message. Usually I respond faster with email. Okay. But hopefully that gives you an idea of how this week is going to go.